good morning students, and today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is unit first, problems of India and their remedies of a political science. Okay, so let's see, in this chapter we are covering the points like unemployment, unemployment meaning and the reasons for the unemployment and the solutions of the removing the unemployment. Then about the discrimination, the meaning of the discrimination, and gender based discrimination, caste based discrimination, then regional inequalities under the discrimination. Then about the corruption, meaning of the corruption and the reasons for the corruption and the effects of the corruption and the solutions for removing the corruption. Then about the communalism. So communalism, the meaning of the communalism, then what are the effects of the communalism, then about the solutions to curbing the communalism. Then about the terrorism, the meaning of the terrorism, the effects of the terrorism, the solutions to removing the terrorism. Then about corporate strategies, meaning of corporate strategies and their solutions for curbing the corporate strategies. So let's see one by one. So first of all, unemployment. What is unemployment? Unemployment mean where the person has the ability and has the education but he can't find the work. That is the unemployment. Otherwise, a person who not have the education but he has the ability, but then also he not have the finding the work, that is also considered as the unemployment. Totally unemployment means the person who not finding the work, that is the unemployment. And reasons for the unemployment. What are the reasons for the unemployment? The reasons for the unemployment are the depending on the agriculture. In India, many people are depending on the agriculture, their old occupation. They don't want to try for the other occupation. That's why many people engaging in the agriculture, and agriculture having only seasonal wise only occupation or the work. So that's why the other time they not have the work. So this is also one kind of a unemployment situation. And overpopulation. As you know, the overpopulation also leads to the poverty leads to the illiteracy leads to the child labor. So these all are problems created because of the overpopulation, and overpopulation leads to the unemployment. So that's why a number of reasons are there for the unemployment. And so what we have to do, otherwise what the government has to do for removing the problems like unemployment, what are the solutions are there, what are the measures are there? So solutions are there. The individual person has to think about their life, and they have to engage in the business, not only in the government job. Rather than they are waiting the government jobs, they have to engage themselves in the private job. And another one solution, the government has to make the plan for creating the job opportunities to the people. How they can have to create the job opportunities? They have to improve the skill-based courses for the people. They have to provide the trainings. They have to provide the loans. So like this, they have to try to remove the unemployment problem from the India. So this is about the unemployment. Next, see about the discrimination. What is mean by discrimination? Discrimination means the people are treating differently from the other people. So in India, it is the most practicing system is there. Gender related may be there, or otherwise caste may be, otherwise in the regional inequalities may be the discrimination are there. So first of all, let's see the gender wise discrimination. In our society, we have the habit to treat the boy differently and treat the girl differently. When when a boy coming lately to home, we not asking why you are late. We asking the girl when she is making late to come home. That time we asking the girl why you are late. So this is the mentality of our society to treating the girl and boys differently. Not only that, the women's and the men's has taking the wages also differently. The man has the high wages and the women has the low wages per day. And the thinking to treating the woman should be limited for working under the home, and the men should be limited for working it out. So these mentality leads to the discrimination. That is the gender related discrimination. So what should we have to do for removing the gender related discrimination? So nowadays we not seeing the gender related discrimination. Almost all it is not there. But the government has to take the measures for making the equality among the men and women. And nowadays it happened. The government given the 50% reservation in the political opportunities also. Anywhere in the courses, in the educational courses also, the government given the chances for the, otherwise the reservation for the women or the girls. So like this, the government trying to remove the gender related discrimination. And it is not only the work of the government, it is the work of the every individual persons to, in their family, they have to treat the male and female or the men and women as equal. So this is about the gender related. Next, let's see about the caste related discrimination. What is the caste related discrimination? Upper caste, lower caste. You know, caste related. Without knowing the person, the people judging the other persons. Whether the high caste people don't know anything, they don't have any skill, but then also they are treating based on their caste. And if lower caste people, they have the lot of talent, but then also they are treating based on their caste. So that is the caste based discrimination. So what the measures for removing the caste related discrimination? The government has the lot of plans for removing the caste related discrimination. In our constitution only, the secular country. In the constitution only they given the secular country. Secular means there is a security to all religions. So here in India, everybody has the right to practice their own religions. And everybody, according to the constitution, all are equal. All religions are equal. All people are equal. So this is the related the caste-wise discrimination. Then about the regional inequalities. What is the meaning of regional inequalities means? First of all, we have to understand the regionalism. Regionalism means the deep attachment toward their nation, or toward their local area, toward their state. Actually, the place where the person living, that person they like much than comparing to the other place. They have to ready for do anything for their own local area. So that is considered as the regionalism. So regional inequality.